DeepSeek AI is really good in solving math problems. So how can we use this Chinese AI to solve it? First, you need to head to deepseek.com and click Start Now. If this is your very first time here, you will need to create a new account. I already log into my account, and the key point is you need to turn on this option for deep thinking, this R1 module, and then ask. Solve this math problem step by step and then paste your problem. Press enter and simply wait. You will be in the thinking phase when the program tries to analyze everything and make all of the calculations for you. So this gray text is not the answer just yet. We just see how the AI kind of talk to himself and try to solve it. This can be really helpful if, for example, you want to have all of those steps in your books as well. Alright, and here it is. The black text is the final solution. So we got step-by-step solution. We got 5 boxes times 8 cupcakes per box. That gives us 40. Plus she baked 12 cupcakes at home. So that's 52. We give away 14 to her friends. So we got 38 left. And then we need to divide it among her 3 siblings. So with her, there are 4 people in total. So we divided by 4 and that gives us 9.5 cupcakes. So the final solution was a bit weird. It was half, and the program checked it 3 times. Take a look how long is the reasoning process here. I really like it because it didn't just give us the first option. It was like, all right, the result is weird, and recalculate everything, reread the problem, everything, try to calculate it back. All of this reasoning, that's the powerful feature of DeepSeek AI. And then we get the final solution here after he just checked it himself 3 times. Alright, so that was the correct solution to my math problem. And that's how you can solve it. You will get this answer at the end. You just ask to solve this math problem step by step and then paste your problem. Be sure that deep thinking is turned on over here in the chat, and you should be good to go. Keep in mind, it may take a moment as he will double check everything and kind of reason with you, with himself, how to solve it correctly. That's the cool part, that you can actually see the logic behind it. Alright, I hope this will be helpful for you. See you in the next tutorial.